For our example problem, we have to find the tangent line of the curve y to the third minus xy equals 2 at the point -1, 1. Following the steps given in the presentation, we have to first take the derivative of f of x, or the given function. This would give us that the derivative of y with respect to x equals y over 3y squared minus x. A quick side note, as it's not stated in the video, the original problem gave us the derivative, but here's the work to find the derivative using implicit differentiation. Next, we would have to plug in the given point into this derivative in order to find the slope. Using a calculator or by hand, the value of the derivative of y with respect to x evaluated at -1, 1 would equal 1 over 3 times 1 squared minus -1, giving us our slope, 1/4. Lastly, we plug in the slope from step 2 and the given point into the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. After some algebra, our final answer for the tangent line of the curve would be y equals 1/4 x plus 5/4.
The problem says, let f be a function of f of 1 equals 4, such that for all points on the graph of f, the slope is given by 3x squared plus 1 over 2y. Write an equation for the line tangent to the graph of f and x equals 1, and use it to approximate f of 1.2. The first thing you want to do is to find the slope by plugging in your given values, which in this case x is 1 and y is 4, into the given equation of 3x squared plus 1 over 2y. Solve for 3 plus 1 over 2 times 4 and reduce that to 1/2. Next, you want to plug in the slope and the givens into the point slope formula of y minus y1 equals m parenthesis x minus x1 parenthesis. So it would be y minus 4 equals 1/2 parenthesis x minus 1 parenthesis. After that, you need to plug in f of 1.2 for x and solve. So f of 1.2 minus 4 equals 1/2 parenthesis 1.2 minus 1 parenthesis. When you multiply all that out and add it all together, you're going to get f of 1.2 equals 1/2 parenthesis 1.2 minus 1 parenthesis plus 4. F of 1.2 equals 0.6 minus 1.5 plus 4. And that'll equal f of 1.2 equals 4.1.